Do you understand English but feel nervous while speaking? Do you hesitate in front of others? Don't worry. Today I will tell you 5 very important tips which will help you speak better in daily life. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rashmi Singh and today I will tell you how to speak English fluently and confidently step by step. Let's begin. So the tip number 1 is think in English. Think in English. The biggest problem is we speak in Hindi or our mother tongue and try to translate in English, which take time and causes hesitation. So from today onwards, you just start thinking in English like this. For example, instead of saying "मुझे पानी पीना है," you can always think like this: I have to drink water. Start with small sentences like I am feeling sleepy, he is my brother, this is my bag, you are very cute. Speak to yourself like this daily. This is the first step to to attain fluency. The tip number 2 is learn 5 new words every day. And don't learn too many words in a single day. Just learn 5 words or 4 words because our brain capacity is limited. You cannot learn when you are writing any word and new word. You just think, I can learn this word, I can learn this word. But when you use these words in your sentences, then only your brain can regain or retain those words. So it is very important. Just go for some 4 or 5 words and try to use in your sentences so that you will not get forget. So don't learn so many words, only 5 words every day. Just like happy, we use the word happy. I'm feeling happy or I'm feeling delighted. And you have to use delighted or happy in different sentences. Like this, you can get fluent. The most important tip, I think, the tip number 3. It means speak daily without fear, without any hesitation. To improve speaking, you must practice speaking every day. Even if you make mistakes, you don't you don't stop yourself. You just keep on speaking. Talk to your family in English because that is your comfort zone, and nobody will make your fun because one of the biggest fear in our brain is
अच्छा
if
हमको सिखा रिया है
if some mistakes are there, people will make fun of me. So you can start with your family, with your close friends, and the best friend is mirror talk. You talk with mirror. This will improve your English. Just for 5 minutes or 2 minutes, you can talk in mirror. This is a very important strategy to improve the English. You can voice record it. You have your phone. You can record your voice. Take any topic, and on that topic, you just record your voice, what you are speaking. If there is any mistake, no problem. You just record it. There are so many AI tools today. There's so many language pattern apps today, partner, and you can speak with any AI partner also. There's so many tools, AI apps are there. You can use this. But the most important thing is you have to keep practice. Speaking is the first thing. As you know, how we learn our mother tongue is when we are child, we just in that environment. We were in that environment, we have listened and we start with the broken sentences, with the small sentences. But after listening and reading, because of that environment, that sounding, you become fluent in your own mother tongue. Like this only you can improve your English. So just remember this very important tip: practice. Fluency comes from practice, so not perfection. So speak daily and don't get afraid of anybody. The tip number 4 is watch and imitate English shows. This is again an important strategy to improve your English. You just watch any English TV serial or any English movie in which there are so much conversation are there. You just listen it carefully and try to imitate the with the subtitles. And this will also proven this is a very important strategy and people have followed and they just get result in a limited time like 45 or 90 days. It will improve a lot. You will see there are some tongue twisters and there are some words which you if you are practicing it alone you don't know how to spell it, but there are chance you can imitate the actors or actresses in that movie or TV series. So this is a very good thing if you are watching and imitating any English show. Start with simple shows like you can start with even with these kids series like kids TV shows like Peppa Pig or there are so many shows Bluey. There are so many simple English language are used are there because they are the kids who are listening it, so they just want to be matched with those kids, so they just use these simple English sentences. So what you can watch these TV shows which are very easy and it will improve your simple speaking style, your vocabulary, your pronunciation, your voice tone. This will help you a lot. The tip number 5 is speak on simple topics every day for 5 or 2 minutes. You can start with 2 minutes and extend it for 5 minutes. Because if we are talking about the tip number 3, which is about the speaking, now it is very important on which topic. So take some topic ideas and you can start it with your daily routine like I woke up in the morning, then I have my tea and this and that. Your whole day activity, you can talk about that for 2 to 5 minutes. Or like my favorite, you have watched a movie recently. Now your any favorite movie, you can talk. You try to speak you what you have to do, you have to make sentences because if you are talking for 2 to 5 minutes, it will help your brain, it will help your mouth. There would be a mouth and brain connection which is very important for fluent and confident English speaking. While you are speaking, you can do one thing. If there is somebody, your friend or your family member, your brother or sister with you, it would be very good you take the feedback. You just speak in front of them because it will build confidence in you. And if it is not always the case, there is somebody who is listening you. So what you can do is just record your voice in the phone.
Let's revise these 5 important tips. Number 1, think in English. Number 2, learn 5 words daily. Number 3, speak every day without fear. Number 4, watch and repeat English shows. Number 5, practice speaking on simple topics. Remember, friends, you can do it. Speak with confidence, practice every day. English is not about perfection, it is about connection. So, if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment below which tip will you try first, subscribe for more such videos. Thank you for watching and take care and keep speaking in English.